I will work hard. I will stay organized. I will persevere. I will make $100,000 this year. I will become the ultimate VA.
Starting out as a VA, you're going to want to get ahead of the pack, and that comes with its own set of challenges. But with the right mindset, anything is possible. Being a full-time virtual assistant myself, I found these 3 common traits that have helped me become successful. Starting out as a VA, not going to be easy. You're going to be faced with multiple challenges, like low wages and inconsistent jobs. But don't let this deter you from obtaining your ultimate goal. The successful VAs know this and come into this venture with a long-term plan and the hustle to execute that plan. These 2 things are the cornerstone for every successful VA mindset because it allows you time to grow, increase your value, and eventually open those golden doors of opportunity. As a VA, you're going to be required to keep up with multiple tasks in an effort to support an entrepreneur grow their business. If you can proficiently help take things off their desk, they're going to look at you as an invaluable part of their business and be more willing to offer you more jobs at a higher rate. The ability to keep you and them organized is a priceless trait to have and one every successful VA practices. How many steps did it take before you could run? No one really knows the answers to that, but they all know it took a lot and it didn't happen overnight. It's the same with being a successful VA. When you start, you'll need a long-term mindset to allow you to take the lower paying jobs with the understanding they'll turn into better opportunities. Well, there you go, 3 VA mindsets that'll help you get out of that mundane 9 to 5. If you want more VA tips, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Own Your Time. For those who want to know more about getting VA jobs, be sure to check out our next episode. And if you're looking for a personalized experience and one-on-one coaching, be sure to check out our website and make an appointment. This is Natasha, your VA coach, encouraging you to get out of that unfulfilling lifestyle and start owning your time.